carrier ring seal SPETOGRAF GUS 660. GUS 660 is a special type of seal to apply for troublemaking industrial applications because of its resistance to external forces and vibrations, special ability to work inside non-rigid flanges, superb resistance to blowout, and possibilities to compensate flange imperfections. Carrier rings GUS 660 may be installed inside standard joints without any modifications of existing flanges. There are various construction and material versions available depending on particular application requirements. The idea of the carrier ring is that once the GUS 660 is installed, soft layers are hidden inside carrier's grooves. Let's look at the key benefits of GUS 660. Elastic soft material layers fit to any flange imperfections. But together with elasticity, soft material layers provide also very high elastic recovery. Special shape of the core is responsible for resistance to blowout. Additionally, this metal core can survive extreme stress, shocks of temperatures and pressure, and long-lasting vibrations. Depending on individual application requirements, GUS 660 construction is customized to ensure best seal performance. Modifications can be undertaken concerning core and layers tightness, core and layer width, and location of layer. Seal optimization is also possible because of wide range of carrier metallic materials available. You can see most popular metallic materials hereby. Please note that many more alloys are available on request. Soft layer of GUS 660 carrier are made usually from expand graphite or PTFE materials. Sometimes layers are in form of spiral wound gaskets. Kindly recommend GUS 660 as a solution for troublemaking applications. One more time, key GUS benefits that guarantee the highest reliability in a wide range of applications.